I will literally spend money on any creator business tool ever once just to see how it is. So I've tried basically everything, and these are some of my favorites that I've used this year. If you're a creator who's often adding paid usage into your contracts, using Epidemic Sounds is going to be really helpful because it's a royalty-free music library, and all of your music and paid ads has to be royalty-free. So instead of going on YouTube and trying to search for some, and it's a whole thing, and you don't actually know if it's royalty-free, this is 100% going to be. Also, Collective is something that I recently invested in this year, and it's 10 out of 10 been worth it. This is ideal for business owners making over $60K per year because it's going to help you basically file as an S Corp so that you save a ton of money on taxes. And it also connected me with an accountant who does my bookkeeping and advises me on like the smartest ways to spend money so that I can do the best on taxes. If you have any sort of course or membership, Thinkific is a really great option. I use this to host my Brand BFF course and my Impact to Income course, and I literally love it. It's so seamless. It's so easy for you to use. A lot more creators are starting to look into paid subscriptions where they can have people subscribe to their membership or to like a paid content area, and this is what I use Circle for. My membership social suite is here where you have one-on-one access to me. We have resources, we have chats, like everything is in Circle, and I absolutely love it. The user experience is 10 out of 10, and honestly it's so organized and just beautiful. If you're a creator who is looking to manage your money a little bit better, Creative Juice is a great place for that. It has a lot of financial and just content creation education in general, as well as organization like income and expense tracking. They also have business debit cards, which is where I do all my business banking, as well as funding as well for projects you're working on. ConvertKit is where I do all of my email marketing. I used to use Flowdesk, switched over to ConvertKit earlier this year because it's just very robust. Like everything you could possibly need to do with email, you can do it in ConvertKit, while maybe in Flowdesk you cannot. Honestly, this year I started to set up a welcome sequence with a freebie, and this has been a great form of passive income for me. Landing is what I'm really excited about. This is a really great place to create vision boards, mood boards, any type of inspiration, or just when you want to like spruce things up visually. It's also a really great place to build community. I kind of think of it as like the cooler version of Polyvore that has like a really interesting community. Like people actually are interested in building community with you. If you're thinking about creating a podcast or a YouTube channel, or even just want to record your content, have it in a place that's really easy for you to kind of like repurpose it into multiple forms of content, Riverside is it, guys. I've been using this for over a year now. High quality recording for audio and video, and it also transcribes your recording so you can use it as captions, blog posts, all of the things.